Yo, what's going on, traders? Hope you're all having a great day. It's Raphael back at the charts again, and I want to talk about a trade that we took yesterday. I've shared this trade in the free Telegram channel, so if you're not in the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to check links in the description and join the free Telegram channel. It's free. I'm sharing some of my trading entries and exits in there, so yeah, you can really bank on that. So, guys, yesterday was beautiful. I was able to I was able to make 4% profit, which is around $280,000 with 1% risk. And I want to show you exactly how I did it today. I've recorded the whole trading session. I was good loaded up on the way to the target. I was really loading it up heavy, and yeah, we banked a pretty great profit with a trade that was running around 1 hour. I mean, 1 hour trade. I was preparing everything, and I shared this trade with everybody, so you had enough time to prepare your entries and get in again, get in as well. All right, so it was this small up move in here, and I'm going to show you exactly why I took the trade. First of all, we the day before that we slashed through the liquidity of I think this was Tuesday. On Tuesday we slashed through the liquidity from Monday and Friday, and after that we had a sign of a reversal, like buyers stepping into the market, buyers taking control of the market. And I mean, we came back pretty steep in here, but we broke the structure after that in here and in here, with pretty nice bullish candles. So overall I was like, all right, it wants to go up again, because if we take a look at the bigger picture, we are chasing higher highs, like we're in a pretty nice bullish structure. I mean, it got violated in here a little bit, but the market gives us signs of a reversal as well. So it really wants to move up, and I think we are about to fill this imbalance in here, somewhere in here, because we already broke this high in here, and it feels like the market wants to go up slowly. This is what I see in the market. And then yesterday, let me explain to you why I took the trade. I mean, we really need to go on the 1 minute chart, because we cannot see it on the 5 minute that good. I want to show you exactly what happened. So why I took this trade in there. The New York session started, we had a little liquidity grab in here, and then a strong move. You see these big candles, and this for me was the signal that this zone is significant, because they stopped some of the buyers in here out, because if they are moving the stops in here, some sellers got in with after this break of structure. Some breakout traders, they got in here with sell positions, and some buyers got stopped out, and then we had this huge push. So they grabbed liquidity in here, had a huge push, and so I was just waiting for the market to come back into this zone. So I took my first entry in here, and I took another entry in here, and then I was just waiting, and I was aiming for 1,800, but I know that they turn around the market so often just before that big figure number, and as you can see, they just reached to 1,798. And I mean, I was good loaded up in here, so I decided to close it exactly on top. I mean, I was so lucky to get out in here, because the market after that was just going down like crazy. So I really hit the perfect exit, and was beautiful. And after that, yeah, we could have entered again in here, but I was completely happy with the profit. I made 4%. And now let's get into the video recording. I mean, in here I was preparing pending orders. After I saw this big push, for me it was clear this should be the zone where the market will pull back into, and then after that we were going to create a new higher high. This was my perspective, and it worked out pretty nice. I mean, I want to get in zones where others got stopped out before. This is where I like to get in. So yeah, I prepared some entries in here, 0.5% risk, and in here 0.5% risk. So I was preparing 320 lots for 1% risk. And then let's see what happens, guys. Now you can see my entries, my buy limit orders. Market was playing around a little bit, and then it snapped into my first entry, my second entry, beautifully, and then it was slowly moving up and get back into this bullish structure. And yeah, I was waiting for my moment to move my stop loss and to bigger my lot size, to bigger my volume, because you all know I like to load it up. If a trade is running good, I like to get in again and double my size and try to squeeze the market as much as I can. Okay, now I'm thinking about moving the stop a little bit, because if it slashed through here or here, if it slashed through this area, it's not longer a valid trade. Alright, so this was the moment when I opened up my first loaded up position, as you can see, and then I start to move my stop. So I was moving the stop. I was getting in with 3 positions, as you can see in there. I opened up 3 positions. I moved my stop just to make sure I'm not risking more than 1%. This was the goal, right? And then the market made a beautiful move, slashed through the roof, and then I took profits pretty quick. I've just doubled my lot size, guys. So just a small move of like 30 pips or something, 30-40 pips is like crazy. It's $120,000 more. It's like 2% more. And this is when I start to take profits. After that candle, I just took profits. It was going a little bit higher. Then I exited some more. I mean, this could be the reversal zone in here, where the market come back. That's why I got scared a little bit. And then I just decided to close it, because I have enough for today, you know. And it was the perfect exit. I mean, after that, the market was just slashing through all the liquidity from the buyers who got their stops in there, slashed through all of them, boom, and then got back up again. I hope some of you have banked on this move as well. If not, make sure to join the free Telegram channel. Link is in the description. And if you need any help, just drop me a message in Telegram. I'm here to help you guys. Yeah, I hope you're having a great day. And I'm going to get outside of the house today, and because the weather is so beautiful, just check it out. Hope you can see the sun is shining. I will take the dogs for a walk and breathing in that good house Prada, baby. Yeah, guys, have a great day, and I wish you all the best. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I wish you all the best. Peace out.